Are you taking deposits on the phone? This is a huge thing right now because a lot of people that I talk to, they're like, oh, the clients are not paying on the phone. They're not, they're not doing the sign up process after I onboard them. They're not paying. Are you taking a deposit? Okay. The reason why you're not converting as many customers is because you are not taking money up front. You need a financial obligation from the prospect. If I'm on the phone with you and you say, hey, I'm ready to get started, send me that invoice later, right? Send me that invoice later, I'll take care of it. No, fuck no, you're not, okay? I need a deposit right now to know that you're obligated to go through with this process. If you're not ready to go through it right now, who says you're gonna wanna go through it 5 hours down the road when it's later, right? You need to get a deposit from your prospects that holds them accountable, because at first they're a little worried, right? You're on the phone, you're not face to face, you're basically, you're kind of like talking to a wall sometimes. So it's like these people are afraid to give their credit card number, they're afraid to take those next steps. You need to grab a deposit. It could be $50, $100, $150. Let them know that this deposit is gonna go towards the purchase. Don't be afraid to take deposits, because I know a lot of people don't take them because it's a financial obligation to yourself that you think you can get in trouble for, or whatever the case may be. Obviously it can be refundable, but it holds the client accountable and it hits their card. And when it hits their card, most people are they're holding their breath. And then as soon as that card goes through, they get to breathe. Now they're more enjoyable with the process. They trust you more because you didn't swipe their card and take the full amount. You took their card and only took that $100, $200. So the next time you're on the phone with somebody, they're on the edge and they say they're gonna, fill it out later. No. Get them to make a deposit and just let them know the reason why is because you need a financial obligation from them. If you're not willing to go in all in right now, why should I? And that's what I usually say to my prospects, and that gets them. I want to work with you right now, not in 5 hours. Because in 5 hours, someone else is going to hit me up. And in 5 hours, you could change your mind, you could think about something else, and you're not going to be as excited about the opportunity that I'm presenting to you right now. And that's what I put in their head. So next time you're on the phone, someone's on the edge, and they're almost ready to pay, get a deposit. It's an easier way to get into the actual buying process for the prospect. You're going to close more people. Peace, guys.